Welcome all. My name is Marisa Monteiro Borsboom. I'm the coordinator of the Legal Tech Management and Innovation Strategy certification. I'm also a founder and partner of the Institute for Legal Innovation and Technology in Portuguese Inova Legal. This course will be held in the Nova FCT Executive Education, and we will invite you to join what is a very ambitious program, an intensive week in Lisbon, where a group of instructors will give you the necessary skills to face the current uncertainties in the market and the developments of the latest tools and strategies for innovating your legal departments or your law firms. We will join the third edition of Alex Legal, and we will be able to meet with the community of the European Legal Tech Association, with other communities in Europe as the Legal Revolution and others that will join us to discuss what is the present and the future of the legal tech market and justice sector. Don't miss this opportunity. We designed a course with care and attention in order to provide you the best. See you soon.